Hello everyone, my name is Andre and today I have the greatest pleasure and opportunity to share with you and recommend an absolutely amazing HD security camera system for your business or for your household, which is super easy to put together and you don't have to be an expert in order to bind it with your monitor and of course to set them up in any corner that you want to monitor in your household or in your business. We have 4 HD cameras, waterproof, that we can easily install even outside. We have a processor that we're gonna bind with the screen, and of course we have a power cord in order to power this up. In the back you're gonna have all the slots and ports in order to bind those cameras. In order to power them up you only need one wire for each camera, and of course every side is showing which one goes to the camera or which one goes straight into the processor. And right here we have 1 terabyte memory in order to record the footage that is happening outside your household or your business. So let's just power this one up, and then we're gonna connect it straight to the screen using an HDMI port. You can use the VGA port or an A-auto port depending on how you want it. As soon as you power this baby out, it's gonna display on your screen. You have a mouse that you're gonna also bind with the processor in order to navigate through that system. This one is gonna go to the USB port in the back of the processor. You just follow a couple of steps in order to configure the system. Automatically run the wizard after booting. So each camera has a separate port in the back which you're gonna bind with those wiring. So one side goes straight into the camera and one side goes straight into the LAN port. As soon as you stick it in, it's gonna light it up and start working. The same procedure goes for rest of the cameras. How cool is that, right? As soon as you power up the processor, once again, all the camera is showing that they are working, and we're gonna look into the footage on the screen. Straight from the monitor, you're gonna be able to scan the QR code in order to download the application. It's gonna direct you straight to the Apple Store or Google Store if you have an Android phone. Log in for yourself. You can easily choose the Facebook app in order to do a quick login. Afterwards, continue. When you're gonna set up your account in the application, the device is gonna ask you once again to scan another QR code in order to bind with the system that you already have installed. As for now, I'm completely binded with the cameras and applications, and those cameras are ready to be installed anywhere I want. As you can see right now, I'm shooting myself with this camera, so you can see that it's already on the screen. Same thing goes for the other cameras which are on the table. So if you guys are wondering and looking for a security system for yourself, you should definitely have to consider this one, because this one is definitely a recommendation from me. My name is Andre and I absolutely approve this message.